Hey G Squad, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made this delicious bowl of chicken vegetable lo mein. So if you'd like to see how I put this meal together, then keep watching. Hey beautiful family, so I have everything laid out on the counter, starting with my chicken. So this is one chicken breast, like a medium-sized chicken breast, and I just cut it up into bite-sized pieces. I have a bag of snow peas. I'm going to be using these super green thin spaghetti for my as my pasta. Then I have some sliced mushrooms. I also have in this bowl a red and a yellow onion, as well as leftover bell pepper. And then in this bowl I have like 3 small carrots, so I'm going to cut those up. I have a head of lettuce. I'm not going to use this entire lettuce. And then I have some broccoli crown, and I'm not going to use all this broccoli. Then for my seasoning, I have some roasted garlic granules. I have some Adobe all-purpose. I'm using complete seasoning. Then I have some sesame oil here. I also have some dark soy sauce. Any type of soy sauce would do. And then I have some extra virgin olive oil. Okay, so that's pretty much everything. I will list it on the side of the screen. If you didn't get it, just take a screenshot. And yeah, with that being said, let's move right along. Okay, G Squad. So right now I have this big pot on the stove, and this pot is going to serve as in 3 ways. One, I'm going to first blanch my broccoli in here for about 2 minutes to remove it, because I want my broccoli to be not too firm but also not too soft. So I'm going to blanch it in here for 2 minutes and then remove it. Once I remove the broccoli, then to the same water I'm going to add my super green pasta and boil that as per directions on the box. Then the third thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a canister and sit that on top and allow my vegetables, some of my other vegetables, to actually steam. Okay, so again, this is going to serve as 3 purposes, and you will see as we continue on in the video, which is now. Okay, so now while I'm waiting for my water to boil, I'm going to season my chicken, and I'm just going to use my complete seasoning. And season your food to your own taste. If you're new to my channel, that's my motto. I said season your food to your own taste. If you're a returning family member, hey, welcome back. Hit it with some all-purpose adobo. And I'm going to add some of this roasted granule. Get that in there. And I think I want to add just a little salt. Okay, so I'm going to add some of this pink Himalayan salt. Then I'm just going to mix that in really well. Actually, you know what? I'm going to also add some paprika to this, so when I go and cook it, I want it to, it's going to assist with the brownings. I have my paprika here, and don't worry, this will be listed on the screen as well. Okay, so now I'm going to mix this in. Okay, make sure you rinse them. Okay, so now I'm going to cut some cabbage. I'm just going to use about 1/4 of this. Okay, so I washed up all my vegetables, my peas, my mushrooms, and my cabbage. So now I'm going to sit them on top of this pot, and I'm going to cover it and allow this to steam for about 10 minutes. Alright, so to this pan I'm adding some olive oil, and I'm going to allow this to get hot, because what we're going to do now is cook our chicken. Okay, y'all, so our grease is ready, so I'm just going to add in our chicken. And I'm going to cook this about 2 minutes per side. And then, okay, so now these are ready to be removed. Okay. So now, some of this sesame oil, I'm going to lower my heat to like a medium low. And just a nice amount of the sesame oil. And so now I'm going to add my pepper and onions to this. And saute this for a few. And I'm going to add some white onion. Alright, so my vegetables are done steaming. So I'm going to add them to this pot now. Woo. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes, so I'm going to add my broccoli. And now I'm going to go in and season this with some complete seasoning. I'm going to add some adobo. Give it a nice little mix. Add our pasta. See that pretty green, all that green with that pop of orange and the white from the onion and the red from the bell pepper. Look how pretty that is. So now, add our chicken. Soy sauce, and you can add as much as you want. Okay, give that a nice little mix. Lower my heat. Okay, so now I'm going to cover and allow this to cook down on a like a low simmer. All right, G Squad. So after an additional 10 minutes, our chicken lo mein, vegetable chicken lo mein is done. And you'll see this big pot of goodness right here. Alright, so let me plate this and then we will wrap up this video. Alright, G Squad, so here we go. Our bowl of chicken vegetable lo mein. So I hope you have enjoyed watching me put this meal together. If you try this, dish, comment down below. Let me know how you liked it. And matter of fact, comment down below anyway, family, just to let me know how you're doing, okay? I really, truly want to hear from you guys. And, I'm putting it out there, and I know you're doing well, but it's also nice to hear it. So just, give me a shout out. Comment down below, okay? And so on that note, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment below, and I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Bye.